Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix card activation issues with Citibank step by step clearly. To fix card activation issues with Citibank, begin by checking the activation instructions that came with your card. Ensure that you have the card in hand and that it hasn't already been activated. Visit the Citibank official website to access the card activation section. You can also choose to call the customer service number provided on the back of your card. If activating online, log in to your Citibank account. If you don't have an account, you may need to create one to proceed. Select the option for card activation within your account dashboard. Enter the required information, including your card number and any requested personal information. Review your details for accuracy, then submit the activation request. After submitting, you should receive a confirmation that your card is activated. If you encounter issues during the online process, try using a different web browser or device. Alternatively, activate your card through the Citibank mobile app if you have it installed. Open the app and sign in to your account. Look for the option to activate your card and enter the necessary information. Follow the prompts to complete the activation process. If you still face difficulties, contact Citibank customer service for further assistance. Have your card and personal information ready for verification. Explain the issue clearly to the representative for a quicker resolution. Make sure to ask for any next steps if the issue cannot be resolved immediately. Once activated, test your card by making a small purchase or checking your balance online. Keep a record of your activation confirmation and any communications with customer service. If the card still doesn't work after activation, reach out to customer service again for additional support. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.